To proceed, you have to ensure the ISO is attached to the VM. You can do this via in VM settings, then navigating to the DVD drive. Next, double-click on the setup to launch the OS installer. On the Windows Server Setup window, uncheck this and click on Next. Select your desired image you wish to reinstall. I do not want to keep anything. Therefore, I will select nothing and click on Next. On the Ready to Install wizard, click on Install. When prompted to enter your password, type in a very strong password and do not forget to re-enter the password and click on Finish.